Hi children, this is your Durga Lakshmi ma'am. Today we are going to learn the subject of class 3, lesson living things and non-living things. So before going to the lesson, what is the difference between living and non-living things we can know. Okay, for example, if we see in the class, okay, I stand before you now. So if I stand before you, I have a duster here. Okay, now this duster is can't move. If I move this duster or if I pick it up, okay, it will move. If I keep that, it will be there. So it can't move or grow. Okay, now. So it is not having any living things to this. Okay, the duster is not, it is stable. It's not moving from one place to another place. For example, if you take me as an example, I can move. Okay, I can do anything here. So that is the example of living things. So the living things can move from one place to another place, but a non-living thing can't move from one place to another place. It is stable. Okay now. So now we can go into the lesson, living things and non-living things. So the things made by humans. Okay now children. The things made by humans are called human-made things. What are the things made by humans? For example, if our house is there. Okay. It is a good example for you. Our house is there. It is constructed by some persons. Okay. And next, buses, cars. Okay. These all are the human-made things. For example, in our house, fan is there. Fan is moving how? By passing the current. Yes or not? Where we are getting the current? Okay. It is also one example. Okay. These are the things made by the humans that are called human-made things. And natural things. What are the natural things? For example, we are getting the air from the nature, from the atmosphere. Okay, that is a natural thing. Okay, and also we can see the stars in the sky at night. Moon we can see. At daytime we can see sun. So these are all the examples of natural things. So that are called as a natural things. Okay, so see here the things made by humans are called human-made things. And the things like animals, plants, rocks, clouds, stars, all are called as a natural things. So, here living things and non-living things have a difference. Okay, the difference we can know now. So, how the living things and the non-living things. So, the living things can move. Okay now, and also it can feed. Okay, it can grow, it can reproduce, it can breathe. But a non-living thing can. So we can see one by one. So here the living things can move. How it can move? For example, if we take a bird, it can fly in the sky. If we take a fish, it can swim in the water. Yes or not? So they have in the moving position. A living thing, that means a human also can move from one place to another. If we take a toy, it can move? No. Yes? If we take a toy, it can't move. For example, duster. If we take with us, it will move with us. But it can't move itself. Okay? It can't move itself. That is the difference of living thing and non-living thing. That means a living thing can move from one place to another place. A non-living thing can't move from one place to another place. And the next one, need food. Okay? The living things need food. For example, your mother will make some items for you. Okay, tiffin, lunch, dinner. Okay, at that time, if it is your favorite, then what you will feel? You will feel more hungry on that day. Yes or not? So, mother, I am very hungry. Keep for me. I will eat you last. But a non-living thing, for take a doll. Okay, if we take a doll, if we kept to that in the mouth, it can eat? No. Okay. It's that means the humans can eat it and also animals also can eat. But a non-living thing, that is a doll, cannot eat them. That means the animals are having food from plants and animals. Okay. And also a human being needs a food to grow. Okay. It will help us to grow and to live for a human. Okay. So the next one is grow. Okay now. Living things grow. How they can grow? For example, if we take a baby everything you know as in the citizen. You are a citizen in that. Okay now. That means a baby is becoming an adult after some years. That is an example for growing. Okay. A baby plant grows to tree. That is also one example to grow. And the next one is feel. How we can feel? How we can feel? For example, if I pinch any person, what happens? He will cry. Then, for example, in the class, if you bet anyone, what they will do? They'll cry and they'll go to a teacher and they'll give a complaint. Yes or not? Then what happens there? He's feeling the pain. If we take any doll, it will feel? No. That means it is not having any feeling. The non-living things are not having any feeling. Okay. The living things are having the feeling. So they feel. Okay, my children. So the next one is breathe. So how we can say we can breathe? Okay. So we are taking the air inside. Yes or not? You are taking the air inside. If we close our nose, what happens? What happens? We will die. Why? If we not breathe, we will die. The air is the main thing to us to live. Okay. If we close any doll's nose, what happens? It can't breathe. It is stable. It's no need air. Yes or not? That is the thing. For example, if we take a fish, it can breathe with the help of gills. A person, a human, is breathing with the help of lungs. Okay, now, and a cockroach, it has in some the air holes. Okay, they are having some air holes. From that they will breathe. So everyone is having some examples to breathe. Okay, now, and next reproduce. How we can? The next is reproduce. How they can reproduce? For example, if we take a seed, so the seeds with the help of the seeds we are having seedlings. Okay, if you plant them, what happens? A plant will come out. And also, if we take a bird's eggs, okay, from the eggs some babies will comes out. Okay, cows, buffaloes, these all are giving the birth to a baby. Your mother also giving a birth to you. Yes or not? So the living things, that means the humans, the living things can reproduce, but the non-living things cannot reproduce. That means living thing can move from one place to another place. Non-living things can't move. Okay. Living things need food. Non-living things no need of food. Okay. And next, living things can grow. Okay. Non-living things cannot grow. And they can feel. Who can feel? Living things. But non-living things cannot feel. Okay. Living things can breathe. Non-living things cannot breathe. And living things can reproduce and non-living things cannot reproduce. That is the difference between living and non-living. If we take an example of child and a tree. Okay. Child cannot move from one place to another place. But the tree can move. Yes or not? Okay. Yes. Next, the tree can grow, but the child cannot grow. Okay. Next, the tree can reproduce, but the child cannot reproduce. That is the difference between a living thing and non-living thing. Okay, then children, we have completed the lesson. I'll give you the notes in the next class. That means next video. If you have any doubts, comment in the box and subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this video.